Let's be honest, the best nights of your life rarely happened in practical, brightly lit rooms. They happened in spaces that make you want to slow down, touch, linger, and forget the world outside the door. Remember that hotel suite? You stepped out of the shower, skin still warm, the lighting makes you look irresistible, and beautiful scent wraps around you. Suddenly dinner plans doesn't matter as much anymore. That wasn't luck. That was designed, made for seduction. Most homes are built to be safe and functional. Very few are built to awaken desire or even simple daily pleasure. Why shouldn't every day feel a little like a vacation? You deserve a home that makes you feel alive, attractive, and fully present. Whether you live alone or with someone you love, sensuality in design isn't shameful. It's self-care. It's giving yourself and the people you love permission to want more. More beauty, more touch, more joy. Last week we explored sustainability, how the best homes are built to endure and grow more beautiful with time. Yet, what's the point of a home that lasts if it doesn't make you feel alive while you're living in it? Sensuality is what makes a lasting home worth staying in. Start with light. Ditch flat overhead lighting. Layer warm, flattering light instead. Chandeliers that make the skin glow. Sconces that paint walls with intimacy. Table lamps that create private pools of warmth. The right lighting doesn't only illuminate, it caresses. Touch is everything. Cold, flat tile does nothing for the body. Warm walnut, soft velvet, stone that holds heat, these materials seduce you every single day. Scent is pure atmosphere. Science shows the right fragrance can lower your stress or elevate your mood. The Editions Hotel signature scents once wrapped me completely, changing the feeling of the space. That experience inspired my own fragrance collection. Sound and color complete the story. A deep, moody wall, heavy curtains, music that moves. This week's challenge: turn your bedroom or bathroom into a space that actually turns you on. Dim the lights. Introduce a scent that excites you. Add one texture you love touching. Play music that moves your body. Then notice how you feel and how your mood, confidence, and presence begin to shift. Pretty homes are for guests. Sensual homes are for the people who live in them. I'm JohnRoss. I help people create homes that not only impress, they nourish, seduce, and celebrate the joy of being alive. If you're ready to make your home more intoxicating and more personal, let's chat. What's one thing in your home that makes you feel sensual? Or what do you secretly want to add? Tell me in the comments. I enjoy reading all of them.